We have come to realize that this market is now doing well, over 80%. So we need all those employees who are sent on unpaid leave and those who have been away for some reasons or to the other because of the COVID-19 to return back to work unconditionally, because life is becoming more difficult.
Matajiri wengi wametumia nafasi hii ya corona, wakati wa corona wanasimamisha wafanyakazi, wamewapeleka kule nyumbani, watu hawana pesa hata ya nyumba. Kuna kampuni zingine kama Oserian zimeendelea kutusumbua, kama viongozi wa plantation wamekataa kurudisha wafanyakazi wale wa vibarua vya kudumu, wanaleta wale vibarua vya temporary.
We had agreed on a win-win situation between us as a union and the employers due to the pandemic, that we will be able to look at ways and means to sustain the business. But it is clear that business is back to normal operation. And as employees, we are hardly strained in terms of finances, in terms of terms and conditions of employment. So we have analyzed and put in place measures, and we are going to put a proposal in place to employers to see to it that we gain a salary increment.